How to hide online status and last seen on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now select on settings and scroll down to tap on privacy. As you select on privacy, here you can see the option of who can see my personal info, and under that category you can see last seen and online. So select on that. So as you can see on the option of who can see my last seen, it is toggled on for my contacts. So if you want to hide the online status or last seen, you can simply tap on nobody. And on the category of who can see when I'm online, you can just tap on same as last seen, and that's how you can hide your online status and last seen on WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.